So this is my first time in Bulgaria renting my own car. And I thought I'd just drive out towards the mountains before I have to drop the car back. Don't know if you can see this on my camera, but over there's a field full of, I think, sunflowers. They produce a lot of sunflower seeds for people to eat, and I guess for other reasons like oils and God knows what, sunflower oil, yeah. But there's the beast. Job's a good un. Got to drive back into Plodiv now and return the car. Today it's 36 degrees in Bulgaria, Plodiv. I'm with a friend. Here he is. Sound. This is Tion.
Yep, nice to meet you guys.
He's got his own YouTube channel. That's how we met.
Yep.
We're planning to climb up Youth Hill today. I've done it in a previous video, but the temperature could get up to 40 degrees, so it's going to be an absolute killer. Wish us luck, and
we're going to need it, mate.
Yeah, hopefully you'll see me on Tion's channel at some point in the future, so look out for that.
Yeah, no worries. Check out TLSE Vision.
Yeah.
And look out for my interview with Mr. E coming soon on my channel as well.
Have you got any Instagram or any other
social media? Yeah, I do. It's under my real name. I'll probably put it in a comment or something. But
right, okay, yeah.
But yeah, you can check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook under Tion L Simpson. I'll put the spelling of my name.
Yeah.
But yeah, YouTube, TLSE Vision, Tion L Simpson on every other platform. And yeah, it's been a pleasure getting to know you.
Brilliant.
Since your visits here. And yeah, let's go.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
40-degree weather, like the mental guys that we are.
We are mental, yeah. Right, sound. You hear the noise from the insects around here. We're at the bottom of Youth Hill.
Okay, I'm just going to do a tracking shot now with you in it. That's all right. Probably don't do it justice, but Plodiv very much is a very picturesque. It's a very beautiful city, especially with the mountains surrounding. Looking forward to the view from the top.
Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my God, it's so hot. Tion's just making his way up. Awesome. There he is, look.
Sit down for a bit.
No worries, mate, it's killer.
Oh. I'm literally dripping with sweat. My t-shirt is so sweat down my arms.
Tion's doing a cliff and he's just talking about how he's dripping with sweat. I did warn him. This heat, doing this hill, it's ridiculous. I'm trying to get this butterfly.
Wait a minute, I'll be right back.
Hey, there it is. Hey. This is the second time I made it to the top of Youth Hill, but today it's 36 degrees. Actually no, 38 degrees, sorry. Tell a lie. Me and Tion have climbed Youth Hill today in 38 degrees temperature. It's due to get to 40 degrees today. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's super hot, but it's worth it for the view. Look at this view, it's amazing. Yeah, make sure you hit the like button, drop me a subscribe, and you should see an interview actually on Tion's channel if we get a chance to film it. It's just so hot up here that you drip sweat, like your shirt gets absolutely soaked. Nearly drank all the water that we brought with us already. So yeah, it's insane. The noise them bugs make though, that was one of the bugs that landed on you earlier, the bubalichka.
Oh, was it? Could you see it? Oh.
Yeah, well I saw it fly and I saw it sort of hit your neck.
Quick favour mate, can I just do a quick short with you?
So me and Tion, aka TLSE Vision or TL Simpson, climbed the Youth Hill today in 38 degrees temperature. Absolutely insane. I'm sunburned and I'm sweating, so now I'm going to go home and get a shower. But yeah, if you've been watching, hit the like button, subscribe and tell your friends. I'm done. Peace!